Hey everyone, in today's video, we are going to do a newspaper nail art experiment. I've actually done newspaper nails before, and can you believe that video has over 12 million views? That's crazy. Anyways, in this video, we're going to use some different techniques to try to create newspaper nails. Make sure you subscribe and ring that bell so you'll know when I upload again. Let's go ahead and get started. First, apply your favorite base coat. I applied one coat. Next, apply your base color. I chose a white grayish polish and I applied 2 coats. The first thing we're going to use is water. So what I did was I took my newspaper clipping, I soaked it in the water just for about 10 seconds, and then I applied it directly to my nail. As you can see, I was already having issues trying to get it to stick. Now you're just going to apply firm pressure and you're going to leave it for about 10 to 15 seconds. I peeled it up a little bit to see if it was ready, and it was not. So I actually took a little bit more water and I dabbed it on there. Unfortunately, the newspaper did stick a little bit, which isn't a massive deal, but this is what it looks like with water. Next, we're going to use mouthwash. I did the same thing, but this time I actually soaked my actual nail for about 10 seconds, and then I applied the clipping directly to my nail. I ended up doing the same technique where I dipped my fingernail in some of the mouthwash and applied it directly on there. And this is the result we got with mouthwash. Next, we're going to do hand sanitizer spray. I did the same thing. I soaked my nail for about 10 seconds and then I applied the clipping directly onto my nail. I dipped my other finger into the spray and applied it directly to the nail. I was really impressed with this one. I thought this one did very well. Now this is the normal method that I have always used, which is the 70% alcohol. I feel like you can never go wrong with this method, but I was just curious what other methods are out there and what other ones work. This one, of course, turned out pretty well. Next, I wanted to try the 91% alcohol, just to see if there was a difference. This one I feel like was a little disappointing. There is all the methods. I honestly feel like the hand sanitizer spray did the best, and then the 70% alcohol was next. I ended up doing some nail art with just the hand sanitizer spray, and this is how that turned out. I also learned a little trick. I noticed that the newspaper stuck to my nail a little bit, so I dip my finger in the hand sanitizer spray and it comes right off. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.